So today we're going to talk about the Catholic word meaning universal. This is why the church that Jesus Christ established in his time on earth is thought of the universal church. As Catholic stands for universal. Some of the books in the Old Testament basically include the first book, which is Genesis. The Bible basically is divided into the Old Testament and into the New Testament. I have listed some of the books here that address certain topics. For instance, the book of Deuteronomy is the first second law. In 1 Samuel 1, it talks about the monarchy beginnings. The 2 Samuel 2 is discussing David's reign. You can see right there. 1 Kings chapter 1 is mainly focusing on Solomon's wisdom. Remember, wisdom it's something that is extremely important and is we gain a lot of wisdom through that discernment that is allowed and provided through the Holy Spirit. Well, in Kings, Solomon's wisdom is described and discussed in chapter 1. The 2 Kings chapter 2 is basically focused on the fall of Israel. In 1 Chronicles chapter 1, there's a huge focus on the genealogy, the study of basically the life, the genealogy is describing when you were talking about like a genealogy tree would be describing like everybody's connections and lineage in their ancestry, their ancestors, how like the bloodline is described. And 2 Chronicles chapter 33 is basically describing temple history. So these are some of the key topics that you would find in some of these books in the Bible. Remember that we are talking about the Catholic Bible has not eliminated certain books that apparently were eliminated from other faith beliefs that are not necessarily Catholic, like Protestant. So anyways, these are some of the main topics that you would find. I thought that I would highlight them because it gives you like